I wonder if every single time I come outside, it's just like excessively hot, right? Like, does the heat like follow me? I don't know. Like, it's 104 degrees is what it's registering like on all the thermometers like around me. Intriguing. But either way, guys, listen, today, I want to go ahead and show you guys my truck bag because a couple of you guys have asked me, what exactly do I have in my truck bag? And is it different than my go bag? Yes, it is. But obviously, depending on what truck I do drive, it will be different. But again, I'm working on building my Ram currently. So let's see where this goes. Let's start, guys. Okay, so guys, we're going to start with the guns, okay? And the reason why we're going to start with the guns is because I want to show them to you immediately so that I can put them back away so we don't freak out the public, right? The normies. So we're going to start with the CZ Scorpion, okay? 9 millimeters, very accurate. There's almost no recoil at all on this firearm. This is kind of why I would say that I basically trust this more than nearly anything I own here, guys, right? We also do have additional 10,000 rounds in the truck at all times. Also, secondly, we have a very short barrel AR-15, AR pistol. Let's go ahead and put these away immediately. Again, I don't want to freak out the public. And this is also in addition to my sidearm, but these are my truck guns, my main truck guns at least. Get in my belly. All right, here it goes. All right. Let's put this back. 7 gallons of water at all times. Underneath the water, we have a table. This table is a common typical camping table. It's mesh. It's in there pretty good. So let's leave it. Okay. All right. Just a common typical cheap Sterilite storage box, guys. It fits perfectly in the bed of the truck without taking too much space. Inside, let's start from the top here. A ham radio. I have a lot of these, guys. We have food, a lot of food, actually, a good amount. We have some protein bars. We have lantern, flashlight, setups, things. They're also solar. They charge. We have some 3M duct tape because you never know when you need, right? Some duct tape. Of course, we have bleed stop also. Like, this is like a mandatory thing in like all of my kits, guys. I definitely want to make sure that if something does happen, we do have the ability to stop any type of serious bleeding or incident. You get what I'm saying here, guys? It's very important to have things like that there. We have the seed vault. It has a gigantic amount of heirloom seeds. So if you do need to get away and you still need to eat, obviously, it's always good to have some heirloom seeds on you. We have a gas siphoner. All right. I shouldn't have to explain to you what that is for there, right? Just in case you need to get gas into your vehicle and, you know, everything has just completely fallen and this is what you need to do, right? Good to have them here. We have a bush pot here. I have a lot of these, again, in all my kits. This is why it looks new, okay? Don't worry, I actually utilize them. I've tested them. Some fire plugs, a very small first aid kit. But if you've been following along enough, you understand that I basically utilize fat wood in every single thing that I do. Pine resin soaked wood. All right, it's like the easiest fire starters you can possibly do here. Go ahead and move that to the side. We have camouflage covers for vehicles, right? And we have 6 of these. This should cover this entire Ram without any issues here. So just in case you need to kind of duck off into the woods. A solar powered battery maintainer. As you see, I don't know if you see the light is on here. It's charging, right? So a solar powered battery maintainer for the vehicle. Shower wipes. Okay. And we have 4 of those specifically. What's next? Rabbit bait. Just in case we need to trap a rabbit, here we go, plus the line to do so, along with tripwire. It's Kevlar, it's excessively strong here, guys. This is a fireman's tool. I'm trying to step out of it so we can see it. A fireman's tool. This, let's say we need to kind of breach a building, get into the building itself and stay there for the night before we move on, let's say, and there's a gas leak. We can stop the gas leak or turn the gas on, etc., along with water, along with breaking into structures. This is what this tool is for here, okay? This is a breach tool, emergency gas and water type of tool, guys, right? Another flashlight, another lantern flashlight combo. What is this? Oh, this is a portable, chargeable inflator for some things that I have coming in a moment. Some creature comforts. Hold on, guys. We have some people coming here. Okay, these people seem not to be a bother. Okay, great. All right, let's move on here. Also, inside of the bag, we have inside of the box, we have WD-40. We also have alcohol. Use it for a fire starter or any type of, antiseptic purposes. We have sterno. We also have a sterno stove on this side here. So just in case we need to utilize the sterno to cook something on it, we can definitely do that. Or use it for some type of light source. We have Big Otter towels. These are compressed towels. They last for multiple usages. We have alcohol prep pads. We have iodine prep pads. A lot of first aid, obviously, here, guys. We have a mosquito net in here. That's all the way at the bottom here. What else do we have in here? That's interesting. Life straw. Wood glue for any wood projects that may be needed here. And along with the wood glue, we also have a vise so we can kind of put things together if we need, right? So we have the wood glue, then we have a vise, just a bar of soap. Now let's go ahead and move over to the other side. So move that stuff. Next we have a bandana. We have a knife. This is a bivvy. We have a twin size mattress. We have a wood stove. Okay. Pop-up wood stove. Pop-up wood stoves, inflatable pillow, inflatable twin mattress, bivvy, portable twin mattress, portable pillow, bivvy, wood stove, sterno stove, wool blanket. We also have a grill grate. So just in case you get some rocks or whatever it is, you want to utilize this on top of the rocks as your cooking surface with fire underneath. You can easily do that. This is pretty much the easiest way to maintain that. I think if you care about weight, this should probably be in your go bag as a cooking surface. Let's see. We have some extra sandwich baggies just for foraging if need be. Also inside of it, we have my ultimate knot book. Is there anything else that we're missing before I stop this? Oh yeah, a lot actually. Jeez, there's a lot in here. Then we have a fire starter, some safety pins, snake gaiters. These go over your legs and over your shoes. A snake basically cannot bite through this here, guys. You're good. Snake gaiters. If you're in the woods a lot, make sure you have some of these here, guys. Keep in mind, guys, if you saw my go bag video, this is sloppy. I'll fix this later. Oh, no, we have more things. 100% we have more things. Oh, this here. This is another breaching tool. It's very thin, but this goes around the latch on any door and basically opens it. If you are stuck somewhere and the world is over, obviously if the world's not over, don't use these, right? But it's always good to have something like it if you need it. Even for your household things, your kid locks themselves in a bathroom, this will pop it immediately. All right. All of these things, I always have my go bag. So my go bag is pretty much always in the vehicle. And so if it's not in here, it's definitely in my bag. There is a tent in the back, but it's literally all the way in the back, right? It's a pop-up tent. It's a circle. All you literally do is open it and just let it expand. And now you can sleep 6 people in the middle of nowhere at any time within like 15 seconds. We have the Jackery, we have some gloves, and then we have the mighty S-Wing, the Jackery 1000. There's solar panel in the back. I also have the alternator upgrade in this truck specifically, where when I drive with it, it charges it off of the alternator. And that was made by Blue Eddy, by the way. So we also have a drone. I want to be able to see ahead and scout. So if it is just me, right, specifically trying to get home, because basically this is nothing more than a get home bag. I don't plan on having to stay out too long. I want to get back to my family if I'm away. right? So I want to be able to see ahead of me, and I can see a very long distance with this drone. Okay, I mean very long distance. Just couldn't put that back. We also have 3 batteries for the drone, and they're always charged. Can also act as a power bank if needed, right? But again, I have my Jackery for this whole purpose of charging everything, which I can also charge this via solar and via the alternator. We have the photovoltaic cook set. It's electric, plugs into the Jackery, works perfectly, cooks amazingly. It does not waste electricity at all. Removable handles, right? Boom. And once you pull it up, the electricity stops, so you don't waste electricity on your power bank. Amazing things. They cook perfectly. Pan pot. Almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. My chest rig. So we have a Glock. All right, so this is a knife by Glock. It's basically a warring knife. It's also a bayonet. It connects to the barrel of your firearm, right? While also literally being a survival knife. It's considered a Glock survival knife. If, as you see, heavily used, guys. Like heavily used. I've had to resharpen it multiple times. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and try to maintain a week schedule of upload here, guys. I'm still trying to figure out the next video, but we'll do this here, guys, obviously. In the meantime, guys, if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe. This is just kind of what I do. Off-roading, camping, bushcraft type of thing. But this is what's in my truck bag. The elusive one. I don't think many people ever want to show you these things, but I understand why they don't want to show them, because again, they kind of look like a loot drop. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. This is my truck bag. This is what I have. This is generally what I kind of move around with just in case I need to kind of get home, right, to my family. You get what I mean? All right. I'll catch you guys later.